Lesson 8 Part 1 Vocab First, handsome, handsome. John さんはとてもハンサムな人ですね。Mr. John is quite handsome. Second, きれい beautiful, clean. 山の上から見える景色はとてもきれいです。The scenery from the mountain is very beautiful. Third, 静か quiet. 静かな場所で住みたい。I want to live in a quiet place. Fourth, 賑やか lively. 東京は賑やかな街です。Tokyo is a very lively town. Fifth, 有名 famous. あの方は有名人です。That person is very famous. Sixth, 親切 helpful, kind, considerate, and not used about one's own family members. あの先生はとても親切な先生です。That teacher is very kind. Seventh, 元気 healthy, energetic, cheerful. お元気ですか? How are you? Eighth, 暇 free time. この週末暇ですか? Do you have free time this weekend? Ninth, 便利 convenient. この辺りに大きなスーパーがあってとても便利です。There is a big supermarket around this area. It is very convenient. 10th, 素敵 nice, wonderful. この靴素敵ですね。These shoes are wonderful. Grammar point 1 Adjectives. Adjectives are used as predicates and in sentences like N wa adjective des, they indicate the state of a noun. They are divided into one of two groups, E adjectives and na adjectives. Grammar point 2 Na adjectives and E adjectives. Both types of adjectives are attached to the front of des, but na adjectives drop their na while E adjectives retain their E. The non-past negative of a na adjective is formed by dropping the na and attaching ja arimasen to it. The non-past negative of an E adjective is formed by dropping the final E and attaching kunai des to it. For example, the non-past affirmative form of na-type adjective shinsetsu is shinsetsu des, and the non-past negative of shinsetsu is shinsetsu ja arimasen. The non-past affirmative form of E-type adjective takai is takai des, and the non-past negative form of E-type adjective takai is takakunai des.